brand, Stonewall Kitchen Wild Maine Blueberry Jam. And this one's an interesting one. Stonewall Kitchen Bourbon Bacon Jam.
Ooh.
So essentially figuring out how well the Stonewall jams are.
Yeah.
Right. So, and Mom will hold them up once we... Okay, the first one is...
The Strawberry Champagne Jam.
Strawberry Champagne Jam. Cool.
This is one I'm most excited for.
All right. Everybody grab a piece of... See how it tastes?
I'm fighting it because I can't get it.
Yeah, I know, same here. I'm like, what is going on? It's a very potent flavor.
Just normal strawberry jam.
That's what I was getting, just a normal strawberry jam. I don't get anything... I'm not tasting any champagne or anything. So, maybe it's a... Strawberry champagne is the name of the strawberry. You know how they have names too? So maybe the strawberry they used is a strawberry champagne strawberry. Yeah, it tastes very strawberry. Is that a word, strawberry?
It's a very strong strawberry.
Very strong strawberry, but very good. It doesn't... Did you notice any
There is no
seeds
champagne.
or anything else?
Oh no, I didn't notice any
No,
seeds.
I
But to
didn't.
me, it didn't taste really any different than the Smucker's strawberry jam either. So that's the difference between a $12 jam and a $3 jam. And to me, there was no difference.
No. That one, yeah, these were $11.99, right? And I would say...
Yeah, I only knew that because there's one sticker still on.
Want to show on the front of the strawberry?
Oh yeah, the strawberry one is right here. And in my opinion, it wasn't any different than the just the $3 Smucker's strawberry
Can you
jam.
give me my water bottle, please?
Right. I would...
Yep.
So I personally wouldn't recommend that just because at Walmart you can get the same for a quarter of the price.
Although I think it's a little bit stronger flavor.
Yeah, it is.
And there's no... You know how the strawberry jams usually have those little seeds that crunch in your teeth and stuff?
Oh, okay.
And I didn't notice that in there at all.
I didn't.
I got
either.
like one or two.
So-
That's about it.
So, very, very smooth spreading. When I put it on the bread,
Oh, is
was
it? Okay,
very
so that's
smooth to spread, and it was really good. Which
All right.
one would you like
Let's
to
try
try
blueberry
next?
next.
All right, we're gonna try the blueberry. Now this was a little different
Looks very chunky.
because
It does. It looks like there's some real blueberry chunks up in there.
it was very difficult to spread
Ah.
because it's all blueberries. There's hardly any jelly. It's just blueberry. And what's
Oh,
it called?
weird.
Blueberry Maine?
Wild Maine Blueberry Jam.
Wild Maine Blueberry Jam. And can you see? You want to show them how many? I mean, it's just mostly blueberries.
Yeah, it is. It's a lot of. It's all blueberry.
It's
going
all
on
blueberries and hardly any jam. So
I would say try this.
let's go ahead and try
Hey,
it.
you palate.
Oh, sorry. Gotta cleanse that palate.
There. I did because I was very thirsty.
And I also did.
Not a lot of flavor.
Oh my god.
Just sweet.
I think it has a lot of flavor, but not your typical blueberry flavor.
True.
Maybe it's a type of blueberry again. I don't know, but it's not your typical big blueberries, you know, that you would have, you know, blueberry jam. But then usually it's just the jam and you don't have all those little blueberries.
To me, it tastes sweet, and even though there's all the blueberries, I don't taste the blueberries. I do love that part though.
It tastes of fruit, but it doesn't taste like blueberry.
No.
It's a different kind of flavor.
Like it's just sweet.
It's very sweet, yes. I agree. So
I wouldn't recommend that.
No. I wouldn't recommend really either.
No.
I said I wouldn't really recommend either. So our last one's bacon.
So far, Stonewall Kitchen. Can't hang with Smuckers.
I thought they both had a lot of good flavor to them, but they're unique. They're not your typical blueberry or strawberry.
Yeah. I can't say I
Like it.
like that uniqueness of those flavors.
All right, now what's our next one?
Bourbon bacon.
Bourbon bacon.
So that's
I
our
like bourbon.
one.
I like bacon. I
Yeah.
think it's gonna be good.
Isn't bourbon spicy though?
Bourbon's alcohol.
Right, but there's no alcohol in it.
No, it's just
It's
the flavorings.
Alcohol free.
Yeah.
So, but
Like,
if
what
you-
kind of bourbon are we talking? Like a
but
Maker's Mark?
it smells very strong of bacon or something, doesn't
What
it?
are those yellow pieces?
Ooh, you know what it smells like?
Did you
It's
cleanse
gonna
your palate?
taste like. I did.
Grandma.
What?
It smells
Did you
like.
cleanse your palate?
Yes, I did.
Oh.
I think I did.
It smells like it's gonna taste like maybe a candied bacon. I love candied bacon.
Well, we'll see. Go ahead.
The smell is really good.
It has quite the smell.
It smells very savory.
It smells disgusting.
I love the smell. That's unlike anything I've ever tasted in my life.
You can say that again. Ooh.
I don't know if I like it or don't like it though.
It's disgusting.
Initial taste, no.
Gross.
It tastes maybe because you're expecting a jam. But it does have the sweet taste.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. It doesn't taste. I don't think. I'm not getting the bourbon. Are you?
Stonewall Kitchen's awful.
I'm not getting the bourbon. It's like maybe a bacon jalapeno.
No, it's not spicy.
No, it's not spicy. What is that? There's some flavor I can't quite.
Maybe it's an off bourbon.
It's
Maybe
gross.
maybe it's a low grade of bourbon.
Yeah, it's not your Maker's Mark bourbon.
So, yeah, I
Maybe they meant moonshine.
no, but
No? Hair of the dog.
it's. I mean, after a couple bites, it's not as bad as an initial bite that is like, wow.
Yeah, it's not bad,
It's gross.
but it's different.
Yeah, it's very different. It's not
Very
something
gross.
that you would normally have with your bacon and eggs in the morning, or right?
No,
No.
I can't place that flavor. Like,
It's
I
gross.
wouldn't say it's bad, but I feel like a maple bacon jam would have been better.
It's gross. I don't like it.
I don't think it's bad at all. I just
I
don't
don't think
know
it's bad. It's just really.
what it is.
It's hard to describe, isn't it?
It's like, I don't know that there's notes of bacon in there for sure.
It's disgusting.
And then there's almost like a pear, maybe.
I think we have bacon pieces, and then the jam is bourbon flavored.
Not getting bourbon though. I'm getting
No,
like
but-
Warning
To
you
me-
means that to be bourbon.
it tastes like pear. Pear and bacon is how I would describe that. There's a pear flavor in there.
Pears are good. This isn't.
I don't really like pears. But yet, it has a little bit of heat at the end. Like, not spicy heat, but like a warmth. You know when you drink a bourbon, like a shot of bourbon or something, and you get that warmth?
Mm-hmm.
It does have that at the end.
I didn't get that, but it is unique. It's hard to describe. It does have bacon pieces in it.
The bourbon's at the end, after like a while after. You get a little bit of that.
Yeah. So it's most unique.
It's disgusting.
I mean, it's not awful,
I'd rather.
but it's not something I would have with my eggs in the morning.
For me, I would say it's the best out of the three.
Out of the three, the best is a flavorless strawberry champagne.
Oh, I thought the strawberry had a lot of flavor. Just
It
not
had a
unique
lot of flavor. It had a lot of flavor. The strawberry. I thought they were all good.
I didn't like the blueberry. I just didn't.
The blueberry had just too many blueberries.
Well,
I mean, it didn't.
but yet you couldn't taste blueberry. It just tastes like sugar, which was weird to me.
It didn't taste like blueberry, but it tasted like it did taste fruity. But the hardest part was spreading it.
Yeah.
because those little blueberries kept falling off. Bless you. And so it was really difficult to spread. And I think if you wanted, in the morning with your eggs, a lot of people like to dunk their toast in eggs, and
True.
all the blueberries would fall into the eggs. And
Oh yeah, that'd be
So-
interesting.
yeah. So as far as with eggs in the morning, I think the strawberry champagne jam. For something different, and I don't know. I don't know what you would pair the bourbon bacon jam with. If anybody has any ideas, leave them in the
Like
comments.
a meat,
Maybe a
because
meat.
it's savory.
Yeah, maybe putting it on something.
Like maybe on a cheeseburger, that might be interesting.
Or on the top of maybe a pork chop. Because you know how people put applesauce on top of a pork chop?
Oh, I don't really eat a lot of pork chops, but
Yeah,
that would probably work.
yeah, maybe
'Cause
something
it's
like that.
savory.
Yeah, but not for with your eggs in the morning. No, and
These two, gross. This one, meh.
so I thought they were all pretty good. Would I get them again at $12 a jar? No,
No.
they're not that good. So
Would you recommend?
yeah,
I would.
no, not really.
I wouldn't do there.
Maybe for something different, the bourbon bacon.
That's the one that I like the best.
But
out of the
I'd like to
three.
try it on maybe like a pork chop or something and see if it maybe brings out some flavor there.
Yep.
So
I wouldn't recommend any. They're all gross.
Oh, you guys, give them some credit. I'm just noticing this about them. They're all gluten-free.
okay,
So usually gluten-free stuff, you taste it and you go, "Whoa, that's gluten-free." Didn't have
Or do they
that.
naturally?
isn't all? I mean,
Yeah, you're right. Wouldn't it naturally?
it would naturally be gluten free
gluten
because
is wheat.
is wheat. Yeah, so
Well, it's not GMO, except this one. Doesn't say.
So,
No, it's just gluten-free.
yeah, I would think jellies are gluten free anyway.
Yeah,
Because I think to get on the gluten free bandwagon, I put it there, even though there would never
Be
probably
gluten
be
in
any
there.
gluten. Not
Yeah,
sure.
that's true. They're just trying to ride a.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, guys. So there you have it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.